Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your usage of limits on QuickBooks. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're deciding whether or not to upgrade your QuickBooks subscription and you're wondering whether or not you're hitting your usage limits. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your QuickBooks account. Then in the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on this gear icon and then click on Account and Settings. Now, once you click on Account and Settings, on the left-hand side, you're going to see a variety of different buttons. Go ahead and click on Usage. So this right here is the usage of your limits. And as you can see, these are the limitations for my subscription for QuickBooks Online Plus. So as you can see, I have 2 billable users, 109 chart of accounts, classes and locations, etc. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your usage limits on QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.